Yeah! Woo! Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to play the guitar. First, you get yourself a guitar. Alright, now you gotta remember each string. Everybody gets drunk after election day. Got it? Good. Alright, it's a little out of tune. First you gotta get your guitar in tune, which can be hard. See? So we get this fancy little tuner here. Turn it on, clip it to the top. Come on, there we go. There we go, now I can see it. G, E. Alright, should be good. Now. No, still not right. Alright, here's a better way to get your guitar tuned. It's a lot more accurate, so I guess we'll go that route. Right, now to fine tune your guitar to perfection, all you need is to just take a little gas and pour it right into a hole here. Now after you get a little gasoline inside the guitar here, just kind of shake it around. Get it in there well. Take a match, light the match, and throw it right inside there. And now, you have a perfectly tuned flaming guitar. Perfection. There you go. You'll never have to buy another guitar tuner in your life. That's hot. I think I need new strings.